Have you ever found yourself in a situation where you don't know how to move forward? Where you feel stuck or unsure of what to do next? Perhaps you've encountered a problem at work, or you're struggling with a personal issue. Whatever the case may be, it can be difficult to find a way out. But what if there was a tool that could help you break down your situation and find a path forward? That's where the Gibbs Reflective Cycle comes in. Developed by Graham Gibbs, the Reflective Cycle is a framework for examining an experience, breaking it down into its components, its parts, and using that analysis to identify what you've learned and how you can improve. The cycle is composed of 6 steps, starting with a description of the experience, followed by analysis of the feelings and thoughts it invokes, a consideration of what was good and bad about the experience, an examination of what you learned from it, and finally, a plan for what you would do differently next time. By using the reflective cycle, you can identify the root causes of a problem, develop insights into your own behavior and decision-making processes, and ultimately find a way to move forward. Whether you're a student, a professional, or simply someone who wants to grow and learn from their experiences, the Gibbs Reflective Cycle is a powerful tool that can help you achieve your goals and navigate the challenges of life. So, why not giving it a try? Take a moment to reflect on your own experiences and see where the cycle can take you.